Legends of Learning presents The Number on the Wall, The Great Divide Game. This is a math game that makes learning about arithmetic with decimals fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, players take on the role of a young sailor guided by Captain Jack, a friendly pirate mentor, as they sail the seas to unlock secret doors and collect hidden treasures. Along the journey, they solve math puzzles with decimals, adding and subtracting by aligning decimal points and regrouping when needed, multiplying as whole numbers before placing the decimal correctly, and dividing by converting the divisor into a whole number and solving step by step to continue the adventure. They solve puzzles by clicking arrows, levers, or highlighted digits to perform decimal operations. In addition and subtraction, players align decimal points, work column by column, and regroup or borrow when needed. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.